Hello math learners! Welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash. This is still your free access YouTube edu creator, Math Teacher Ash. And today, we're going to discuss a math trick on how to know the day of the calendar, in which two calendar dates are given and you are owed to find what day on the week it will fall. Now, in this video, you will learn the trick on how to know the technique as well as an easy way without the use of calculator. So finish this video. But if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of the School Clear Math videos just like this. Hello math learners! Welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash. Today, we're going to discuss another math trick on how to know the day of a calendar based on two different dates. Okay, now we will answer from an easy question going to a more challenging questions about this topic. So let's start. Okay, now we have here the first problem. If June 5, 2021 falls on a Saturday, on what day does June 28, 2021 fall? Okay. Now, as you can see, my dear math learners, these two dates given are in the same year. And both of them is also pertaining to the same month. So we have June 5 and June 28. So what you will do here is very simple, my dear math learners. What you will do is you just subtract the latest number to the given, so that is 28 minus 5. The answer is 23. Now, it would be very difficult for you to add Saturday with 23 days, right? So, the technique here is as follows. What you will do is you divide the answer by 7 because in a week, there is always 7 days. Okay, so 23 divided by 7, the answer is 3, remainder 2, because 3 times 7, that is 21, but since this is 23, we have a remainder of 2. The technique here, or the trick here, is that you will consider the remainder. So since the remainder here is 2, what you will do is, with that Saturday, you just add 2 days, and that will fall on Sunday, Monday. So therefore, the answer here is Monday. Easy, right? Now, the next question is, Sir Ash, what if we consider two dates on the same year but different months? Okay, math learners, we have here our second question. If July 20, 2021 falls on a Tuesday, on what day does the August 8, 2021 fall? Okay, so as you can see, this still pertains to the same year, but they have different months. Okay, so if we consider July and August, okay, so what is the month after July? That is August. So therefore, the first thing you should know is to determine how many days are there in July. So since July is one of those months with 31 days, so therefore what we will do is 31 minus 20 is equal to 11. Therefore, it means that in order to get the end of July, it still have 11 days more. Now, we don't end on the end of July, but we end on August 8. So since the next month after July is August, so what we will do is we add this 8 here to our 11, giving us 19 days. Of course, the same trick that we have discussed earlier, we divide the total by 7 because of the 7 days in a week, and the answer is 2, remainder 5. Therefore, our remainder is 5. Then, what we will do is we add 5 days after our given day, which is Tuesday plus 5 days, and that is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, our final answer is Sunday. Easy, right? So now, let us go to different year. Okay, math learners, we have here, if December 6, 2000 falls on a Wednesday, on what day does December 6, 2010 fall? Okay, so my dear math learners, we have the same date but different year. So how do we do this one? Now, my dear math learners, we are talking about 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Now, if you don't know what is a leap year, it means that it has one more day compared to our usual 365 days, which always happen every 4 years. So, of course, if the given year is falling in a leap year, then that year has 366 days. Okay. So, first thing to establish is, let's talk about 365 days. Given 365 days, if we add this one by 7, okay, we will have 5, and then remainder 115 divided by 7, that is 2. But still, we have a remainder of 1. In every usual year, we will have a remainder of 1. If we have 366 days for the leap year, if we divide this by 7, we have 52 remainder 2. So now what we will do is, we will count the year going to 2010. So from 2000, okay, so we will have 2001, 2002, okay, 2003, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, and 2010. Okay. So we will just count the remainders of this event. Okay. So from 2000, 2000 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this year is a leap year, right? However, it is already going to 2001. So we have here 1 remainder, another remainder of 1. But for 2004, that is a leap year, so we will have a remainder of 2, remainder of 1, remainder of 1, remainder of 1. For 2008, that is a leap year, so remainder of 2. And then for 9, remainder of 1. And for 10, that is another remainder of 1. So what we will do is you just count all the remainders. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, plus 2, 5, plus 3 again, we have 8, 10, 12. So that is 12. And if we divide 12 by 7, we will have 1, remainder 5. So 5 days after Wednesday. So Wednesday plus 5 days, what we will do is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So therefore, the final answer is Monday. Easy, right? So now, let us go to the most challenging part, which is having different year with different months. Okay, my dear math learners, we have here our final problem. If January 3, 2008 falls on a Thursday, on what day does November 9, 2013 fall? Okay, so what to do here is very simple, my dear math learners. First is we need to establish January 3, 2008 going to January 3, 2013. Why? Because that is our ending year for this given problem. Okay, so we need to know first the technique here. Okay, so this is the same as our previous example. So from here, we have 2009, 2010, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so as you can see, my dear math learners, 2008 is a leap year and this is still in January. So going it to 2009, that will become a whole leap year, right? So therefore, this will have a remainder of 2. Going here, remainder of 1, remainder of 1. 2012 is a leap year, so therefore this is 2 and then another 13 here, so that is a remainder of 1. So adding them, 2, 4, 6, 7. So therefore, this is 7 days divided by 7. We don't have any remainder. So therefore, we can say that January 3 still falls on a Thursday. Okay? So now, what we will do is to know that what day or what is the difference between January 3 going to November 9. Now, my dear math learners, As you can see, 2013 is not a leap year. So what we do here is we just write the number of days in each given month. Okay? So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay. Now for January 3, we have 31 days. Of course, we already used the 3 days of it. So, in 31 minus 3, you still have 28 more days not used for this given month. Okay. For February, we have 28 days. For March, we have 31. We have for April 30. For May, we have 31. For June, we have 30. For August, we have 31. For July, we have 31. For August, we have 31. For September, we have 30. For October, we have 31. And for November, we have what? We only need 9. Okay, so that is 9. So, as you can see, my dear math learners, what we need to do here is we just add these numbers and then divide it by 7. So, we have here, you can use some technique in adding. So, this is already 10 here. Okay? Then, we have 2 more 1s here and then 1 8 here. So, this is another 10 here. Okay? And then, we have 1 and 9. So, another 10. So, that is 30. Okay. So, we have here 1. So, let's count all the 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 times 3, that is 27. 27 plus 2 more 2s, or 4. 27 plus 4, that is 31. So, what we'll do is 310 divided by 7. Okay? So, 31 divided by 7, that is basically 4. That is 28. 31 minus 28, you still have 3. So, 30, you still have 4. So, another 28. So, 30 minus 28. So, you have a remainder of 2. Therefore, 2 days after Thursday, that falls on a, very good, Saturday. So, the final answer is Saturday. So, my dear math learners, this is very, very handy in applying this technique, especially when you are taking entrance exams, civil service exams, or other examinations like general mathematics. So, I hope this technique could help you on the near future. Okay, math learners, I hope you have a wonderful time about our topic for today. This is still your free access YouTube educator, Math Teacher Ash. And always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much. God bless and keep safe. Congratulations, math learners, for arriving to this part of the video. If you think that this video have helped you, click that like button. And if you think that this channel can change the way you see mathematics, do not forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.